the birdie just singing for us. It's going down though.
Yeah.
How to tie a reef knot.
Nope.
No. So that's the wrong way, so you do it the other way round.
That's all
Yay.
wrong. No, it's wrong. Oh, it's right. No, it's not. No, it's
No,
wrong.
it's still wrong. The other way round.
What's the other way around? Hold on.
That one under, that's it. Then
There we
it's
go.
flat.
That's the one. Look at that. That's good, isn't it?
Oh, that's what you end up with.
If you put some binding around these.
And it's really strong. Whereas the other way it just slips. It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, look at that. Pull. Look at that. Oh.
Oh.
That's a reef knot. Jane is now going to attempt to make a reef knot without making a single mistake.
I'm right-handed, okay?
She's
So you go like that, right? And because you're right-handed, you want to go like that, don't you? So you do the opposite. You go that way.
You're a smug little sugar plum fairy.
Okay. Yeah?
Reef knot. We're going to practice knots today, I think.
No.
We're not. We're not. We're not. I'm going to use this knot as like a loop knot, and this is not. If it's not the right way, then it's not. And if it is the right way, then it's a good knot. So, big loop, and round.
Like that? Oh, right, okay. I thought you twizzled it round the bottom.
Go through itself. And that would be great for if you're going to go on your cleat on your boat. Tighten it.
It's not going to go anywhere.
No. And if you wanted to make it really secure, you could bind that if it's going to be long term, which I thought I'd do for the mooring. Yeah. That goes around your cleat, and that's it.
Or your neck.
Or your neck. You can do a noose. I've done a noose. I'll do a noose. Yep. Let's do the noose one. Oh, I've done it that time, I can't do it. You need a lot of rope. There you go. And no, there's two loops on a noose. There's two loops on a noose, I think. Because you go around like that. And round. And round. And round. And you feed that through there, and then you pull that tight, like so. And then, as you hang somebody, yeah.
Okay.
There you go. So that's the loose. And if you pull it through, it should come all the way through. Blah. There you go.
How do you know how to make a noose?
I have no idea.
Not a reef
I think we learnt it at school.
Just in case.
When we were practicing suicide watch.